Hey, Sangita and everybody at Dr. Slaughter's Sinus and Snoring Office, thank you so much for the greatest spring break trip ever. This is Carol Caesar wanting to give you guys a huge shout out. We had the best spring break trip on a cruise to the Caribbean, and one of the reasons it was so great was Mark did not snore. Thank you, Dr. Slaughter. We cannot wait to take more trips as a family. We had an amazing time, and the snoring-free memories are some of the best. We will send you guys pictures, and thank you so much. You guys have a great day. We appreciate you and your team very much, Dr. Slaughter.